Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte.
Now who he kill small pikin, cut his head, put am for dirty place for place where they call am say eleve for Yawende side. We go talk that palava this afternoon again for inside Tori House. National Road number 5, roadway come up for Bekoko, so till you reach for that side from Buddha for West Region. How the road is dey, big disgrace. We go turn back for that road for Tokam. Now so too for inside Tori for this afternoon. We go talk as wey people dem for Elekam after plenty talk wey SDF they don't talk last they don't talk say wetin say place them for votes e no go dey again for Ketu their place and even Chief their palace. Na im mean say vote for Genyun Kunkuma all place the way they go vote e go be na for open place. Tori wey newspaper dem say they talk am e dey for inside arraignment for this afternoon. Big part of e tell we say wetin no matter as wey lion e hungry e no fit ever chop grass. I say even if a trunk na how lion e no fit ever chop grass. Na Abumbi Charles Manoji for Kumba or na for Limbe Ede na im send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, chapter 2 for number 2 day for the week. We glad na for sika una day, na so too we say we dey here for give una the small story where they happen for country. Chapter 1 for this afternoon we go start now with the palava for die. We go take una go for that side where they call am say Ezeka for talk say be then a big crime. As we big man bishop for that side where they call it say his lordship Diodone Bogmis e die. Plenty of the church people then say they be come out, they can cry for sika say waiting, they no sabi waiting wey really pass. Where Oga Bishop he just died, some kind of die. Sabi say Bishop he die now for inside the house. Tori wey enter for we ear, he talk for we as we Bishop say he be the 6 more. But now the small sick wey carry Bishop he head he go. Now question that way people they no fit answer. Now so to ambulance he can carry their body for Bishop. One time now for Ezeka their own co-house they carry and go. So certain now no man he never fit for talk. Whether na the small sick way Bishop be the sick before he die or na say all the thing join enter for inside. Sabi say Bishop for Ezeka wey die, it just can be na one of the plenty man of God where they don't die, or Wafito say father them where they die. Sabi say no be do overstay. Will be the cry palava die for Bishop for Bafiam. Now so another bishop to die for some kind of condition. Sabi say so for inside the palava. We hear chapter for Father Alexander Sopi on die. Even as we own a be then a different side. So big cry die. Where Catholic people then just now they get them. Now for we say for stay waiting it go happen as we program for that bishop it go come out small time. We go take una go for quarter where they call am say eleve soa Yawende. Oh man, if you only come it can spy. Oh man, it can spy. It look the place. All people that be the look na that who did not see no. Even representative it can't stand. A spy, he look up. Inside that house so con the people. Now way head for Pekin, they meet up and for inside place where they throw dirty. Now who cut head for Pekin can't throw and for that place? Election for Cameroon and the blood way they throw away. I say election for Cameroon and blood way they throw away. People they no fit understand who cut head for Pekin. He can't live and for inside dirty place. Now only surprise. Police people they say they become. Council people themselves for Yawende 5, they come. Dirty place, it don't turn a place where they throw dirty for they even throw man he hate for that side. It be then a big surprise for quarter people them as well they come meet up hate for Pekin for dirty place. all man e only turn up, e dey ask na question. Cameroon, who side we dey go? Fly, I say fly where e be flock for that place. Now come and see. For sika wetin, head for pikin. Una go ask and say, ambassador, you dey talk say head for pikin, head for pikin. Who side the head for pikin e dey? I no go show una. As I be so na life for see that kind of thing dem. I no go show una. Lord for tori, e no let we say make we show una that kind of thing. But we fit show una time wey they don't hide am. You see that bag no? That bag wey dey for inside there. Na for there they don't carry the head put am. Na the bag that head for pikin dey inside that bag. Where they meet up am for dirty place. Na Cameroon be that. Anytime wey for the come, na only so. Blood, accident, wish, all kinds of small thing there. And a disgrace, no? We no fit get a better vote for country wey we never hear say blood through away. Oh. Election dey come, votes e dey come, campaign too e dey come. People the way they sit down for Banga, they go come make campaign for una side. Even people themselves for Bekoko, they go make campaign for una side. Side from Buddha, they go make campaign for una side. Una see national road number 5 country people. Express. See hope for inside national road. Then I saw them before when I see the road. Poto for all corner. Hope for all corner. Even watatana for all corner. When motor make accident now for here, they go blame na who? They go blame driver. Person wey go blame driver, mean say that person say be own head, e no turn out fine. When you see the kind of road, then motor dem say they dey pass on top. Then motor tumble side. You blame driver, say driver no be the lookout. Chai! Kota say e don owe. Who side we dey go? We dey go make campaign small time now. We dey make campaign. Na road this national road number 5. Comot for Bekoko so reach from Buddha. Road e no dey pass. Toll gate wey dey take money say see road for go toll gate. Toll gate say e own na shame. When the kind of accident dey happen, so na dey expect say make wetin happen. Yeah? Una dey blame na driver. Even sign themselves for show say speed break dey for here. Here na for bed. For who side? We dey only show na side wey 23 people they don die. Na road and that way they don despoil they dey go. Na road this e dey see no? Road e don spoil. People they dey dance motor they dey dance na Makosa. They dey go for before come for back. You see some motor enter, e bounce e go for back. Now go for before come for back. Now for sika why that way we dey ask na question. If accident happen for the road now, una go blame na who na driver. We dey ask na question for people that they dey look all for we country. When we get the kind of road, then they put and say national road. Na disgrace. Big shame. Now so we dey talk so. Now just chapter 1 this year. We go turn back for the road. Now road way when Damba go come, people they go use am for go Bafusam. No be na all man go fly for aeroplane. People they go like am for waka for see Cameroon na so e dey. Now the kind of thing I want to see road for toll gate. Now toll gate that for before see road. And they take 500 every day. Money where they take and go, who side they go? Eh? Man, I didn't come back for that road for that toll gate. It dey like say people then they never say fine. Come back for that road for toll gate. See, una see road for toll gate. Una see. Now road this for toll gate. See for before they don't wear clothes. They take 500. Shame. We get some other image where we bring them people them for Nyala. We don't talk that road plenty. Now so you don't work. That road they go for Japuma. For Boya side, we dey turn back for this pole. When people there they fix light, they fix am, make they talk for ambassador say they don't fix am. Na danger for people their life. Yes. Dirty South. If una sabi the place fine for Boya. Corner University for Boya. Deep way for so high tension dey for a system. Where any mistake wey any person do am, kididim. We only hear na ping pong. E don can carry go. Then if on top man e be in a place. That one na pay no, they get for pay that man when motor pole don fall on top the place no. See, now the same kind pole wey fall for Douala Yewe, a chakara, e carry some pikin in life, e go with am. Now the same pole that way don fall for top house. And they look am. People there for that side be here say they no get light. Whether they don't get light now, I no sabi. So na big shame. Say for we country, we so get the kind of thing there. Every day we must to talk say pole don fall Jengu. High tension, all corner. Then when we finish talk, they go fix it. As I be so una eye they know they open fine. So I just try for open and so that make una see say thing they no happen fine. I don't promise una say we will turn back for Nyala Chateau, Nadim. For Nyala Chateau side, that Nyala road, it don't go. No, I know Asabi no talk. Asabi to the talk. No worry, Asabi to the talk. We'll come back for Nyala Chateau tomorrow. There, we'll never prepare that thing. Now, so if school open, picking the no fee for go school. Make we enter for chapter for school. I be talk for now say we dey go for Bois de Sèche. Na inside Douala here. Now for them we will get some school there. When minister for college book be don talk say school they no get for open their door. Divine Star Bilingual College. Na one of the school than that. When we enter for the teacher dey tell you say name for school don't change. And two they don't put their book them for before minister for college book for try for see am. You understand? So as we talk so them they don't continue for work. They say they dey wait. Say minister for college book again forgive them the book. Now the school that. Now one of the school this so where they don't talk say they don't get for open. Then another school too will see am. Now the other one they say Divine Grace Bilingual College. So for Bois de Sèche. We don't work out. We see signboard. We work out so we go see another one. College Bilingue Grace et Divine. Then we also go. We go meet our school. School in the tell we say the name where they be put am for on top book for people the way they no get for open school. Na college whether na college Divine Bilingue or na waiting Bilingue Divine. So for them now they want use na the name where minister use and write for talk say their name for school e no dey for on top day. So now for talk say plenty school dey dey. Now for you for shine your eye. So for inside that place we don't look. We don't try for chalk this palaver for school there. They do. Mami there. School dey start small time. Make una sabi the kind place where they put una pikin o. Minister for college book be don sign book say some school they no get for open. But so now some people they do so. You understand? So we dey try for talk so shine your eye. Shine your eye. We go turn back for the palaver in the proper. As Sabi say some other school the day where they don't already start. So one the day they need the wait so take the day where school says get for start. Like this school so we dey wait for year wait to a minister for college will get for talker. We know they make publicity for now. We know they make a business for now. Now if you know one business they can pay business for this side for Madam Tembe so that they go pay money for people there for that side. For that side for Loom country people them small picking the say where they be the learn book for palaver for holiday classes country people them they don't finish. For that side, and it be there now God DOSSF, where be there for see as we picking the finish holiday classes. It means that they come up for one book work, enter for another book work next week. So the holiday classes SSF a work fine, and we hear say now some one honor for that side. So for Loom side, a do the work. So picking them, they be use 1 moon for inside the holiday for learn book again. So it be there now plenty glad for the picking them. Na didn't come back for this side. I say pikin no learn book na sabi. You know learn book no go talk for your papa say papa in be do me waiting. The best thing wey papa and mommy dey fit do am for pikin and for teach pikin, send pikin for school. If you no send pikin for school, you want as make that pikin be na waiting tomorrow. You want as make the pikin do waiting. Make we hear wait to people them for that side they talk for Shakinomolo.
When they come vacances, they are back because they go to school, they are fun. So we keep them for any back to the quarter. So we did glad so they don't make it fun. So we are going to say me all the year me contribution to fine.
And the glad because my pikin you don't work. I overtake Madame Honorable. For she will not make a for we today. In the way don't put them. If you get we where we be poor woman.
Pikin bin ton play ballon tout d'or. Faut send for route qu'on a moto so. Et vous bahe pikin. Di we me rendre pikin make I do fine.
Very good. We go enter now for inside politics country people them. And for politics last SDF after we cry. Election people then say when them the local vote for country. They don't last year talk with SDF a talker. And they talk between a 17. They say law for vote for country talk say make they vote now for place where they open. Where the height for some side. So for second that one SDF be done the promise say if they no comot place the way they dey vote for ketu dem their workplace and for chief dem their palace, they go make big mash. And sabi say that one e be get for pass for Douala year for number 15 day for inside September moon. But last Elekan people dem after wey they don check sense, they talk say the way country dey now better make dem no bring confusion again. So just now all place for vote wey be don fair be for inside ketu their workplace, they don comot am according to big man for Eleka Meno Abraham Segbe. So for inside the same chapter they say all places wey dey vote wey e dey use for bina for inside chief their palace, they don comot am. So according to commandeer for country, say vote for Nkunkuma e go happen na for open place dem as wey commandeer e talk for inside country. So chapter for vote dem for people dem for go vote e go be na for open place. So whether na SDF you win o or na Cameroon you win o, na better thing. For Douala 4, they dey also prepare. After e fit happen someone for big town, na for place for Bonamikano. Na iwe Oga Mayor Sesep, Kum Frederick, e call all people dem for that side for Shidon, talk with them, say vote in the camp. And as we vote in the camp, e get for prepare all man in mind. All people dem get for understand say they so vote in the camp and peace e must today before the time for vote e reach. Time wey dey vote and even after time wey vote e don pass. So e make am gather people dem for Bonamikano. Say make they hear thing wey dey talk. Palava for peace for be before they wan vote, after they don vote, so that all thing if it happen fine. Now for sika why that wey Oga Mayor Sesep Kum Frederick for Douala for a call this Ndongamen for prepare people their mind for inside Bonamikano side for say time for vote edika. Now the small one than that, before we come out, we enter for chapter for Ndamba. Victoria United na dem go be like Southwest the eye for national mini interpol wey go happen for inside country. Now for that side, for Limbe, Bella Mokicha Senator, President for Fekafoot, na SSB be there as well. Victoria United, Toa, very good. Senator too show say it's na sabi on Ndamba. Victoria United versus Catholic University. Final, Southwest Mini Interpol, Pwa, Chuk, Pwa, very good. Goal. Now the goal be that. Now the only goal that way happen as well Victoria United enact Catholic University for Father George Nkeze. Why not? And that one not a carry Victoria United for go for National Interpol. Now so the Ndamba, he end. And na better president, Senator Mbela Mukichas na last win. For sake say even as we confusion dey for that side, Ndamba na Ndamba. Sabi say any man wey land Ndamba must to continue for Ndamba. So then Ndamba Victoria United number 2 times straight. Now then go see whether they go carry Southwest go for division 2 or na how it go be. Now so the team pass for inside that side so for Limbe. Now the tori then that we'll get them for this afternoon with the promise. Sabi say we road them war. When we go turn back for here, maybe for morning time, we go show on a road and suffer for people them for Inyala. We go take una to go for that side for Yabasi. Some bridge there where they don't fix and bridge don't chakara. People they hear bad. We go show on other one. Sabi say now inside Tori house out in the pass. Newspaper them day. The guidance post where they for outside today. It take a own talk. Southwest mega conference. Guidance post it turn back for look the corner side for inside the Palava. The guidance post it tell we how way people the way they support CPDM. The full people the way they be there for inside the Ndongamen. They say last. Plenty of the people there they be there for inside that Ndongamen. They come out with the vex. For Sika say think the way they talk up. The way it be there for be for inside resolution. Na different thing they talk up for inside resolution. Na thing that way the guidance post it talk up. So for the guidance post they tell we. Say as we palava for Northwest and Southwest in the war they go. Bishop there. They say make people they continue for pray all week. Say make Papa God Sesep look with Cameroon with his sorry eye. Governor says, according to the guidance post, it don't come up plenty of the prisoner people them from Gata for Northwest, according to which they talk them, put them for different side. The Horizon says a day for outside today. Horizon editor we say waiting. Say as we Anglophone, part chapter for Northwest and Southwest, the only what they go. The sick the only what they go. They say we no day. Medicine for look out the sick, it never even show, according to the Horizon. Horizon says a talk chapter for waiting. Palava for Ezekiel the bishop two way, he dies for some kind of way. Inside the Horizon, they tell we say I says the talk say make school turn back for Northwest and Southwest this school year. Then they tell we to Aswe Ideso Musunge and people them for Southwest. They talk say make people there they make confusion. They put their gun them for down. Make the shit down for one table for talk. Now some of the things then that way Horizon already for outside a talker. Now so we see country for the half time. We want to say big thank you for all people there. The LFC make something happen fine. School year SSF for St. Anne, for Limbe, number 4 day for September moon. Thank you plenty, Ledupone, Nadine for, and even you, Carlos Minue, Ambassador Gotomba for some time, on all I'm tight. And even Da Silva Mikel, yes. Now he be the person way Eddie Mekam will deceive it for all sides. Da Silva Mikel, na man for Facebook. It's a big Facebook work. So, now something for tomorrow, call the people them, on all I'm tight.